Today, we're talking about how to style a leather jacket or a vegan leather jacket as a kid.
Yahoo!
Yahoo! Let's go. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. And for those of you who do, welcome back. Brielle and I are so excited to see you. So before we get into this video Brielle wanted to show you guys how she styles her leather jacket and how kids can wear a vegan leather jacket. We just want to say one thing to you. What do we want to tell them?
If you like the video, subscribe down low and then we can do some more videos. Dun dun dun!
What she said.
Yeah! Yahoo!
The vegan leather jacket is a quintessential piece for adults. You guys know I talk about it all the time. Then Brielle had an idea. She's like, I want to show how I wear mine. And I'm like, good idea. I don't know. How do parents use that for their kids? So this is great. So Brielle, this is her look one. These are her leggings that she wears all the time. Her favorite spring leggings. They got flowers on them. She just has her white t-shirt on and her favorite gold sparkly boots. So you know what? You can just have fun with it. You just throw it on, right, Brielle?
Like this. Whoop!
Just like that. Whoop! She's done. Look two. I am obsessed with this. Show them your shirt that you styled. Woo! That's awesome. She found this shirt and then sent me a picture. Hey?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What's that from? Kim Appelt. Is that my name?
Yeah, probably.
Probably. Really cute.
Could you guess what this is from? We'll send this shirt to you. Guess it and then subscribe down low. But I'll tell you it's in the mall.
So if you guys guess where this shirt is from, where Brielle got this XO shirt, you put that down in the comments below. We'll pick a winner if you guess right. Hey, Brielle?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. And then we'll announce it on the next video. Sound good?
Yep.
Yep. So what did you style this leather jacket with? This looks pretty cute.
So I started out with just a shirt and this and booties.
Very cute. And where are these?
Got black and black.
Yeah. Very cute. I think there's probably a lot of adults that would wear this outfit. I think I would wear this outfit. The boots are from Old Navy and they are so darn cute this season. Cute, cute skinny jeans. I love it. Are you comfortable?
Yep.
The most important thing is that you're comfortable, right?
Yeah. And the second important thing, if you're happy or if you have fun.
That's right. You want to be happy and have fun. And you like to have fun with fashion, right?
Yep.
Yeah, all right. This is our last look. We wanted to show you guys that you can style a leather jacket with a fancy dress, right?
And with some pretty shoes.
And with some pretty flats. So if you guys are going to a wedding or to a fancy dinner and you're looking for a little coat for your little girl, you can throw on a moto jacket and it dresses down the dress, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it looks so cute. Do you like this look?
Yeah.
Yeah, does it feel comfortable? If you were going out to a wedding, would you be okay throwing on your leather jacket?
Well, then my legs would kind of get cold.
Well, we could put tights on. You think tights? Or unless it was in the summer. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we like it. Here's your flats. They look super cute. Pretty dress. I like the pattern, and I love Papa Red. This is so sweet. So now some kids and some parents can see that they can throw on a vegan leather jacket with a dress.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Brielle and I had a really good time showing you guys what you can do with your leather moto jacket. Right, Brielle?
Yep.
Yep. And what else do we want to say? So we want to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
And
if you like this video, hit the red button down below to subscribe.
Subscribe. Brielle's really into the subscribe button. She really wants you guys to come back. Brielle will be on Saturdays, and we will show you more of our kids' style finds that we find. Let's go find some stuff on a budget. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we'll see you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so we're into look 3. Tulle is a super huge trend for these little guys. Yeah. Brielle loves this skirt, don't you, Brielle?
No, I don't.
Come on, fake it. You have to be an actor. Say, yeah, I do.
No, I don't. I don't like it. It's too tight and squishy.
She doesn't like the skirt.